What's wrong? I can't read that.
Yeah, what does this button even do?
I don't know. Let's replace it.
First time in there. It's a bit worn off. I guess I've been a bit rough on it, hey?
Uh-huh.
But don't worry, one of my good friends got me this.
Oh.
It's a new part. We're gonna put this in. So I think the first thing is to grab the screwdriver, and I'm just gonna put it in here.
You might
go for it.
Let's see if we have some other tools, because you don't want to mark this up.
Scratch it. This is the old one though. I gotta be careful on the new one.
Yeah, but I don't want you to scratch this when you pry back against it.
That makes sense. Yeah, this could be a little bit sharp. It is metal.
Let's see what other tools we have.
All right, good thinking.
All right, wait, which one of these tools might you want to use?
Well, there's a good selection here.
Yeah.
We could use this toilet plunger. Maybe we could suction it out. I'm not sure. We'll put this back here. Oh, these are plastic. These feels like they're heading in the right direction.
Yeah, you might not mess up your dash that way.
This one's metal again, so probably like the screwdriver, not the right.
Which one of these is more? Which one of these two is more precise?
Precision, accuracy.
I think this one, dude.
Yeah, that does look like nice. We can probably get that underneath the switch there without damaging the dash, like you said. I don't know if that is gonna fit.
Yeah, is that? You might have to use your other tool.
Oh yeah, that will work.
Okay, dude, let's do it.
All right, let's push it in. Ooh, it pops out quite nicely. Just gonna keep running that around. Nice.
And that cable's not so long, huh?
No, I think this is the right way, because if you rip this whole panel off, it could pull these wires a bit too tight by the time you get your fingers in there.
Okay.
So your switch comes out first. I'm just gonna pull it out right now. There we go. Try not to lose it.
Did you squeeze it on the sides, or what?
No, I don't think I did. I just used a bit of force. It seems like it's just a kind of tight press fit in there.
Okay. This one doesn't look to be metal after all.
No, it feels really light. They're slightly different.
Probably fine.
But no one's going to tell the difference. Let's just check to make sure the bottom looks great. We've got 4 pins in there. This one's got a genuine Land Rover.
Oh, I see it.
This one does not.
Let me zoom. 10x.
10 times.
Oh, it's upside down.
Let's just have a play with these buttons.
Okay. Do they feel good?
Yeah, they both feel great.
They both work, right? That's the factory one.
This is the factory one on the left with the worn out text, and we've got the new shiny one on the right where you can clearly read it. The text isn't worn off this. I know what this button does. It does start and engine stop. This does something and stop.
Okay.
Let's plug it in and see if it illuminates and starts the car.
Oh, it's backlit?
Well, I'm hoping so.
Cool, let's try it.
All right, let's line up this connector. Nice click. Yeah, satisfying. All right, I'm gonna push this back in. That was easy.
Oh, it's working already?
The dash is coming on.
Is it backlit?
Well, let's put the headlights on and let's see.
Oh,
Yeah,
did you expect it to be orange?
I don't know what color the other one is.
Great.
I thought it was green, but it may not be green.
Oh, no, if you started, could it be different colors?
All right, let's start the car. It's always red for danger.
Okay.
Starting and stopping. That looks nice. You can read that. It looks so much newer.
I think that looks great. You know, I think it's good to improve things that you like touch frequently. Wow, what an interesting dash. I've never seen something like that your cluster is digital in a 2011 LR4. Whoa.
It's a beautiful like sunset with the clouds, isn't it?
Yeah.
Reminds me of Adventures.
Almost looks like it's come out of a Range Rover.
You could tune into one of the other channels to see where it is out of there.
Wow.
More info.
Okay. Probably good to do live while it's powered, right?
I think so.
We want to know if this one was green, so we're doing it over.
Let's do it again.
Here you go.
Out with the new.
Out with the new, in with the old, as they say.
Okay.
I knew I'd find a way to make this more than 15 seconds long.
Who's got the vote on what color it is?
Oh, it is green.
I can't even see. Why is it not illuminating?
It is.
It's red, isn't it?
Yeah, it's red. But press that, whatever you were doing, go ahead and press that again.
I don't know what I did.
Yeah, that, oh, it just goes off. It's either off or red, so it's always been red.
But it's not as bright as the other one, is it?
No.
This one I'm really struggling to even know whether it's on or off.
And right now it's on?
Yeah.
Let's put the new one in.
Oh yeah, you can see it lights up. But
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's put the new one on. I've got this process down now.
Yeah. Let's see if this one is kind of more intuitive, if it lights up a little better.
Alright, I'm going to turn it on.
Yeah, this one seems...
Definitely seems brighter.
That's cool. Good for you.
Thanks, AJ. This looks awesome.
Oh, man.
Now I know where to push to start the car.